What is ANAD?
ANAD means Alliance for Nationalism and Democracy. It is a party registered with the Commission on Election, or COMELEC. The purpose of ANAD is to participate in the party list election. And ANAD is a pro-democracy, pro-peace, and pro-God organization. We believe that if there is no peace, there is no progress. So kapag walang kapayapaan, walang mapuntahan ang bansa. So that is the reason why our declaration or our motto is no to communism, no to terrorism. I am Jun Alcover, an ex-member of the Communist Party of the Philippines, one of the pioneering members of the Communist Party in the Visayas. After I was captured, I realized that communism is a futility. Communism is not the solution to our Philippine problem. So, after I realized, I organized this party to expose communism, and especially now that there are now 11 communists in Congress, headed by Bayan Muna, Akbayan, Gabriela, Anak Pawis, etc., etc. We feel that there got to be a balance of political forum in Congress. So we need ANAD to fight and expose the communist terrorists in Congress. Vote for ANAD. This is to strengthen democracy, and ANAD will fight for you. ANAD will serve the country in order to stabilize the economy of the nation. Maraming salamat po.
Why should I vote for ANAD?
Kasi nangyari ngayon, parang na-monopolize ng mga komunistang party list ang Congress. So, in short, walang kalaban ang mga komunistang party list in Congress, like sabi ko na, Bayan Muna, etc., etc. So, kailangan man-neutralize natin sila because they have shifted the strategy from purely armed revolution to parliamentary struggle. So, ang ANAD will stand for you. Kami ang lalaban doon. Kami ang magamit ninyo na instrumento against communism in Congress. We'll expose their plans. Kasi ang plano nila is to take over by 2010 by using parliamentary road. So, kailangan ma-expose natin yan para ma-unite at ma-mobilize natin ang demokrasyang pwersa sa bansa natin. That's the only way we can stop them. Because we don't believe on pure military solution. We don't believe on using bullet as the solution. So what we need now is unity in order to expose and fight communism in a peaceful way through education, through information. Yan ang kailangan natin dito. That's why I urge every freedom and loving Filipinos to vote for ANAD this coming May 14. Just right, ANAD. Wala nang iba. ANAD lang.
Anong programa ng ANAD?
While ANAD will be fighting against communism in Congress, nakita din namin na importante is strengthen ang barangay. So we believe on the so-called barangay democracy. Kasi lahat ng problema pagpapila sa barangay. Ang problema, yung mga barangay officials down to the last tanod, walang suporta ng gobyerno, walang sweldo. So we'll pass a law in Congress na bigyan ng sahod ang lahat ng mga barangay officials down to barangay tanods. So we will have a full-time barangay captain, a full-time barangay tanod, and these barangays will take charge of their barangay 24 hours a day. Imagine, we have 42,000 barangays all over the country. Kung itong lahat na barangay lalaban sa kalaban ng demokrasya, walang komunista. Walang komunista sa bundok, walang komunista sa mga barangay, at saka hindi na kailangan natin ang bala para supuin sila. It is the barangay power that is real people's power that will solve the problem of communist terrorism in our country today. That is the program of ANAD.
So, John, will ANAD be beneficial to the Philippines for the economy and the security?
Ang sinabi ko na kanina, walang bansa na asinso kung ang peace and order hindi inasikaso. So sabi ko na, we are the only party list that very much concerned on peace and order and security. Because we believe that there is no peace, there is no progress. So kapag mayroon na tayong peace and order, definitely, the economic boom, pag-increase yan, at saka we'll be inviting investors and also tourists. Kasi paano, how can we invite foreign investors and tourists kung magulo yung bansa? And this is the only country sa Asia ngayon na magulo. That's why we are now behind, no? As far as the economy is concerned. So kailangan babangon tayo. And the only way na babangon tayo is to help this country survive by strengthening democracy and establishing peace and order. Pag makamit natin yan, makuha na natin balik ang pwesto natin sa Asia na naging number 1 tayo doon politically, economically, culturally.
What is your appeal to all Filipinos for this coming May 14 election?
As the National Chairman of ANAD, I am appealing to all freedom and democratic-loving Filipinos to unite and vote for ANAD. Unite and reject the Communist Party list. So, May 14, you vote for ANAD. May linya dyan sa baluta, isulat nyo 4 na litra. A-N-A-D, ANAD. Huwag nang dagdagan. So, after May 14, ANAD will make history and you will be part of history. Thank you. Mabuhay ang demokrasya.